Class 9th. It is a video from chapter tissue. Topic is simple permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissue is the type of permanent tissue which are parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Simple permanent tissue formed of similar cells. These cells are also similar in function. The main function of this tissue is to provide a structural strength. Now details of these all types. At first about the parenchyma. Parenchyma is composed of large thin-walled cells. These cells are living. The shape of the cells are oval or spherical. Such cells are present in all parts of plants, which are the root, stem and leaves. The cells are loosely packed and the presence of intercellular spaces. Due to the spaces between the cells, the packing is loose. Cells have nucleus, vacuole and dense cytoplasm. And what are the various functions of parenchyma now? Parenchyma store food. That parenchyma is also involved in filling the gaps between organ and tissues in plants. Parenchyma of leaves, which contain chlorophyll, help in photosynthesis. In some aquatic plants, which are the lotus and the water hyacinth, involved in providing buoyancy to the parts of plant, that parts are able to float above the surface of water. So it is the buoyant force. Parenchyma is involved in providing buoyancy to the parts of plant. Second type of simple permanent is collenchyma. Come on board the arrangement of this collenchymatous cells. Cells of this tissue are living, elongated, and in their arrangement there is lack of intercellular spaces. That is why they are tightly packed, tight arrangement of the cells. That tissue present in leaf stalk and below the epidermis of leaves and branches. The cells are joined together by the deposition of cellulose. Now the functions of this collenchyma. Collenchyma is involved in providing support and flexibility to the parts of plant. In plant, the branches and the leaves can bend without breaking. Such type of support is provided by the collenchyma that can face the high-speed wind. Third type of simple permanent is sclerenchyma, which is composed of long, narrow cells. The cells are packed by a chemical substance which is lignin. This lignin is a cement-like material by which the parts of plant become hard. Such tissue is present in hard parts of plant, which are the bark of trees, in seeds, in upper coats of seed, in nuts and also in husk of coconut. Sclerenchyma is also present in jute and flax, which are the fiber-yielding plant. Functions of this sclerenchyma. Same like the structural strength, structural support. And main function is that it is involved in providing protection from the moisture, temperature and the germs to the parts of plants. Inner parts are getting protection due to the presence of sclerenchyma. Here the figure of these three types of simple permanent. A is of parenchyma, in which you can observe the spaces between the cells. Cells are loosely packed but has nucleus and large vacuole. The second number, which is the B number, that is of collenchyma. Here you can observe that cells have no intercellular space. These are packed by cellulose. There is thickening of cellulose at the joining places of cells. And the C number is of sclerenchyma, that provide the hardness to the parts of plant because of the lignin deposition, which is a chemical that is deposited at the corners of the cells, at the joining places of cells. So it is the main difference between the parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Parenchyma has intercellular space. Collenchyma and sclerenchyma has no intercellular spaces in between the cells. In next video about the next type of plant tissue. Thanks.